That's not something that makes your dog mean or anything, right? Like, is it okay? Is it alright? Because we can pull her back.
He's already mean.
Okay.
What's the doggy doing?
Is he not going to come back to the window to you anymore? You pick on him.